What is up, everybody? Back at it again. Today we're going to be lowering the Trailblazer on lowering springs. I got them right here. This is a brand new Beltex. They should drop the front. Right now the front is raised a little bit by the jack. Right now the front is sitting at a stock height, so it should drop it around 2.5 inches. When I dropped my SS, that's how much it dropped it at. When they settled, it went almost 2 3/4. I already have the backpacks set up where they're leveled, so I'm just gonna make a quick time lapse for you guys of me lowering it. You know what, actually we'll measure out what it sits at stock height first. So let's see. Right now, I don't know if you guys can see that. Right now she's sitting at like 32 and 1/8. So when I drop it, we'll see what she sits at. It should be a pretty good drop. What is up, everybody? Sorry, it's been about almost 3 weeks since I pulled over this truck. I ran into some problems trying to take out the springs. They were just not cooperating. So after about 5 hours or so, I decided to finally give up. Now I am gonna try again. I just need to find some time. You know, I'm kind of super busy right now, just with finding out that we were having a third baby, and also on the house hunt. So if you guys have any suggestions on how to get these springs out, or what's an easier way to get these springs out, please let me know in the comment section, or if you know me personally, just let me know. I didn't even try this right side, the passenger side. I didn't try that side. I was literally stuck on the driver's side for a good 5 hours before I decided to finally give up. But I am definitely gonna try to lower it before I'm gonna try to lower it before truck invasion, which is Cinco de Mayo weekend. So hopefully we can get this, this gap right here. Hopefully we can get this from this to probably like right here. So it'll be sitting perfect with the tire against the fender. And then once we do fix that, we are gonna try to adjust the bags once again, because we had one of our buddies already adjust them just to level it out. So another thing that we did do, if you guys watched the video, we did replace these lights. Now these lights look 100 times better. If you just look at these, oh my god, they just look so good. But there's a downside to them. We've tried to adjust them time and time again, and the levelers, where it levels up, the light of where it's shining, they don't work, or maybe I'm just not doing it right. So yeah, we've tried it plenty of times to adjust them, and they're just not working. Yeah, we have tons of stuff planned for this truck. Everything's just being put on hold just because we have personal stuff to deal with first. I know for a fact that this wheel, it looks pretty much perfect, but if you go to this side, which wheel is it? I'm sorry, it's the same side, I believe. Now if you look at this wheel, it's kind of hard to tell, but if you look at right there, all this is all the clear core, or the clear coat coming off. So eventually we're probably gonna have to strip them down, get them polished up, and probably get them clear coated again. But yeah, we have tons of plans for this. Oh yeah, and don't forget, we also have the Jeep SRT8 that we're planning to do tons of work to. I already have a video that I haven't uploaded for you guys, so stay tuned for that. Other than that, I just really wanted to make this video to update you guys on what's going on what we're planning to do with the Jeep and the Trailblazer. So until next time.